In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your origin and get it working in a few minutes. So without wasting my time, let's go to the computer and let me show you the magic trick. The origin app version and the files we are going to use to override the origin system files are in the description. Download them and let's continue to the fix. After downloading the two files, let's search for date and time settings. What you are going to do now is you are going to change the country and regional format from whatever it is to United States. So let's go to the country and regional format section. And as I said earlier, we are interested in changing the location from your current country and setting it to United States. And same applies to the regional format. And also note that changing these settings will only allow the app to get internet access, but the origin app will not be allowed to operate without upgrading to the EA app. Forcing the app to work is where the other file you downloaded comes in. So what next now is we are going to extract and install the origin app. And if you don't have WinRAR for the extraction, I've added 7-zip to the description. You can go ahead and download and install. And also make sure to turn off your internet before starting the installation process so that the app doesn't search for any update during the installation. Now, let's open the app and go through the installation process. Click on the Install Origin and accept terms and conditions. Also give the app administrator access as you already know. Now, let's wait for the installation process to get finished so that we conclude with the final step. Now that the installation process is done, you can now continue to turn on the internet. So I'll go on to disable the airplay mode I switched on. And also note that you can contact me for any origin game account like FIFA 21, 22, 23, 25 and any other game you want. You can hit me up on WhatsApp. My contact is in the description. After turning on the internet, as you can see, my origin is working. But the downside is when you try logging in, they will ask you to upgrade to EA app. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the game changer. That is the other file you downloaded. And before we continue with the process, you must make sure that all origin services are closed. So we are going to open the task manager and search for origin services working right now and close all of them. So let's start the search. As you can see, the helper service is running. So what we are going to do is we are going to right click on it and end the task. So what next is we are going to open the file location of the origin system file. The reason why we are searching for the origin system folder is because we are going to replace some of the system files. Now what we are going to do is we are going to extract the other archive and select all the files in it and place them in the origin app folder. Now let's continue to extract it. The file size is very small, so it will not take even 5 seconds for it to finish the extraction. Also, to make the process less tedious, you can open the two folders side by side. It is easy for me to do it this way because I'm using Windows 11. So for those using Windows 10 and older versions, it is just the same way as opening the first folder and opening the second one side by side. Now copy all the files and paste them in the origin folder, replacing any file that already exists. All done. Now what next is for you to merge this file with your registry. You can open the file straight away or right click on it and search for merge in the options. After clicking on merge, what next is for you to give it administrator access and yes to the pop-up asking you that are you okay with it adding new information to your registry. Now everything is set and nice. Yenko chile ene ube fili Nini umienu pe ene ebeye osesene. As Kwesiata said, all done. The app is now fixed. Now log in with your credentials. If you want more fixed videos like this, go to the page. And as I said earlier, if you want any account, you can hit me up on WhatsApp. See you in the next fixed video.